Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow us to introduce ourselves as Kembang Kuncup Group, consisting of Iqbal as the CEO of Textile Company, Elsa as mediator, and myself, Dwi as the CEO of Company Distribution. Today, we will engage in a dialogue regarding negotiation. A textile industry company enter into a business agreement with distribution company. As part of our intermediate business English competency test, please watch our video.
A meeting room at the headquarters of the textile industry company. Three individuals are seated around a table. Iqbal, the representative of the textile company, Mira, the representative of the distribution company, and Elsa, the mediator. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for gathering here today for our delivery negotiations. Let's begin by discussing the product specification.
Good morning, Elsa. Thank you for organizing this meeting. Our textile products come in various size, color, and materials. We pride ourselves on offering a wide range of options to meet our clients' needs.
Thank you, Iqbal. We are interested in placing a significant order, but we need to clarify the quantity of goods available. What sort of quantities are you able to provide?
We can accommodate orders of varying size from small batches to large quantities. However, we offer discount for purchasing in bulk. Supposing we were to place a sizable order, what sort of the discount could we expect?
That sounds reasonable, Iqbal. We typically offer a 10% discount for orders exceeding 1,000 units. However, given the size of our order, we were hoping for more substantial discount. If we were to increase our order, could we expect a higher discount?
I'm afraid we can't accept your offer because our profit margins need to remain viable. However, we are open to negotiating a compromise. If you could increase the order quantity to 2,000 units, then we could agree to a 50% discount.
I understand your position, Iqbal. Let me discuss this with my team and get back to you. Now let's move on to the delivery date and time. We need the product to arrive within 4 weeks to meet our client deadlines.
4 weeks should be feasible for us. Well, we'll pro- prioritize your order and ensure it's delivered on time. However, if you could offer expedite delivery, then we could agree to a shorter delivery time.
Expedited delivery is possible, but it comes with an additional cost. If you if you could offer a discount on the expedited delivery fee, then we could agree to it.
I'm happy to offer a 50 discount on the expedite delivery fee. If you're willing to commit to the higher quantity and shorter delivery time.
That sounds fair, Iqbal. Let me confirm with my team, but I believe we can agree to those terms. Now let's discuss delivery insurance. Do you provide insurance for the shipment?
Yes, we do provide insurance for a small fee to protect against any unforeseen circumstances during transit. If you could cover 50% of the insurance cost, then we could agree to it.
Agree, Iqbal. We will cover 15% of the insurance costs. Thank you for your flexibility. It's been a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise, Mira, I appreciate your cooperative throughout this negotiation process. I'll have our team finalize the detail and send over the contract for you preview.
Thank you both for your efforts in reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. I'll ensure that the contract reflects our discussions today. It's been a productive meeting. The three individuals shake hands, signaling the conclusion of the negotiations. It's been a pleasure doing business with you both. I look forward to future collaborations. Absolutely, it's wonderful to see such productive negotiations. Before we conclude, I'd like to touch upon one more aspect: payment terms. How do you usually handle payment for orders of this magnitude?
Typically, we require a 30% down payment upon confirmation of the order, with the remaining balance due upon delivery.
That sounds reasonable, Iqbal. However, we usually prefer more flexible payment terms, especially for larger orders. Would you be open to discussing a staggered payment plan?
We could consider a straighter payment plan, but it will depend on the specific. What proposal do you have in mind?
We propose a 13% down payment upon confirmation, followed by three equal installments of 20% each spread out over the production and delivery period. This would help us manage our cash flow more effectively.
That sounds like a feasible arrangement, Mira. Let me consult with our finance team to ensure it's aligned with our policy. If it check out, we could incorporate it into the contract terms.
Great, Iqbal. We appreciate your willingness to consider our proposal. Once we have agreement on the payment terms, we will be ready to finalize the contract.
It seems like we're making excellent progress here. Once the payment terms are confirmed, we'll have all the elements we need for a comprehensive agreement.
Great, Elsa. I'll expedite the process on our end and get back to you with confirmation as soon as possible.
Thank you, Iqbal. We will await your response eagerly. With this settled, I believe we have covered all the crucial points for the negotiation.
Indeed, it's been a thorough and constructive discussion. Is there anything else we need to address before wrapping up?
Actually, there's no more thing. Quantity insurance, we ensure the highest standard in our product. But should any issue arise, what is your company's policy on return and refunds?
That's an important point, Iqbal. Our company stands by the quality of our products as well, but we understand that sometimes issues may occur. We have a comprehensive return and refund policy in place to address such situations. If there are money defects or discrepancies, we'll we will work swiftly to resolve them to satisfaction of both parties.
Thank you for bringing that up, Iqbal. It's crucial to have clarity on such matter to ensure a smooth business relationship. If there are no further questions or concern, I'll prepare the revised contract and send it over for your review. The three individuals exchange smile, confident in the progress made during the negotiation. Thank you both for your professionalism and cooperation. I'm optimistic about the success of our partnership moving forward. They stand up from the table, signaling the end of the meeting. Uh, If there are no further questions or concern, I'll prepare the revised contract and send it over for your review.
Before we adjourn, we have one final query regarding the contract terms. Would you prefer digital signature or hard copy for the execution of the agreement?
That's a good point, Iqbal. Given the efficiency of digital transaction, we usually offer electronic signatures. However, if you have a preference for hard copies, we can accommodate that as well.
Digital signature would be our preference as well. It streamlines the process and reduces paper usage. We arrange for the necessary documentation to be sent electronically for signing.
Excellent, Iqbal. We appreciate your flexibility. Once we receive the contract, we will properly review and sign in electronically, ensuring a swift conclusion to our negotiations.
It seems we have all the details ironed out. I'll proceed with finalizing the contract and send it over to both parties accordingly. Thank you once again for your cooperation today. With the agreement settled and all queries addressed, the meeting draws to a close, equaling a successful negotiation. If there are no further matters to discuss, I'll conclude our meeting here. Wishing you both a productive day ahead. The participants exchange final pleasantries before departing the meeting room.
Absolutely, Mira. It's been a pleasure negotiating with you. Thank you for your professionalism and understanding throughout this process.
Likewise, Iqbal, your willingness to collaborate and find mutually beneficial solutions has made this negotiation smooth and productive.
It's always gratifying to see such constructive discussions yield positive outcomes. I ensure that the contract reflects all the agreements we've reached today. If there are any further adjustment needed, please don't hesitate to reach it out.
Thank you, Elsa. We'll review the contract diligently and inform you promptly if any modifications are necessary.
Thank you, Elsa, for facilitating this negotiation. Your guidance has been invaluable in reaching a satisfactory agreement.
You're very welcome, Mira and Iqbal. It's been a pleasure working with both of you. I'll be in touch soon with the finalized contract. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. With smiles and nods of appreciation, the participants leave the meeting group confident in the successful outcomes of their negotiation.
That's all our discussion. We are apologize if there are still many shortcomings or wrong behavior. Wassalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.